Jonas from Whole Body Chiro. As a chiropractor, when I ask my patients with acute lower back pain what exercises they like to do to loosen up and give some relief to the back pain, I think the most common exercise that people bring up is the spinal twist. So it can obviously be quite an effective exercise if you have a stiff lower back, but it's also quite common people coming in saying that my back has been stiff for a while, I'm trying to crack it or loosen up myself in a twist, and the other day when I did it, something went wrong and I really hurt myself, and even more sore than I was before. So I want to run through how to do the spinal twist in a way that put a little bit less strain on your back and you're less likely to hurt yourself doing it this way. So the traditional way of doing the spinal twist would be to lie on your back like this, and then use your thigh and hip as a lever, just sort of folding it off to the side like this. But a safer way to do it, if you're really inflamed and sore, is to put your knee and ankle on the ground like this. And then instead of using your leg as a lever, you use the arm that's significantly lighter. So just straight up towards the ceiling like this, and then let it just fold back. You can use the other hand as a way to sort of put a bit of extra load on the knee so the knee stays on the ground. And here with each breath, you can fold a bit lower, let that arm sink down towards the ground. I'll show it on the other side as well. It's the same thing here. On my side, and the knee and ankles stays on the ground. Put the hand on top to weigh it down, and then the top hand can just fall back towards the ground. In the textbook, they say that full range of movement here is to be able to keep your knee and your shoulder blade on the ground at the same time. But I think depending on the thickness of your torso and your body build, what's normal can vary quite a bit, but that's something they could work towards anyway. So can be a great exercise to loosen up your back if you feel stiff, but be gentle with it and go carefully, because you can hurt yourself as well if you go too aggressively. So yeah, try it out gently, and I hope you like it.